good day everyone. Today, I will discuss about clothings and greetings. So before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is BGC Kamba. And we proceed to our topic, clothings and greetings. So first, clothings. So, in English pronunciation, t-shirt, and Hangul pronunciation is tashuchu. Next, in English pronunciation, trousers. And in Hangul pronunciation is baji. Dress, in Hangul pronunciation, jolishu. In English pronunciation, jacket. In Hangul pronunciation, jakis or jakis. So next, in English pronunciation is shirt. In Hangul pronunciation is shuchu. Next one is shoot. And Hangul pronunciation is yangbug. So next, skirt. In Hangul pronunciation, chema or chaima. Next, coat. In Hangul pronunciation, kochu. Next one is short. In Hangul pronunciation is banbaji. Bra. In Hangul pronunciation, biola. Panties, in Hangul pronunciation, panty. Underpants, in Hangul pronunciation, namja panty. Hat, in Hangul pronunciation, moja or moha. Tie, in Hangul pronunciation, necktie. So next, bag, in Hangul pronunciation, gabang. Scarf, in Hangul pronunciation, miopoleo. Next, belt. In Hangul pronunciation, belchu. Silk scarf. In Hangul pronunciation, shokkapio. Next one is socks. In Hangul pronunciation, yangmal. And ring. In Hangul pronunciation, banji. Watch. In Hangul pronunciation, segye. Necklace. In Hangul pronunciation, mokgyole. Next, glasses or glass. In Hangul pronunciation, angyong. Earrings. In Hangul pronunciation, wigori. So let's proceed to next one is greetings. So first, hello. In Hangul pronunciation, annyeonghaseyo. So next one is in English pronunciation is thank you. In Hangul pronunciation is 감사합니다. So next one is in English word, it's nice to meet you. In Hangul word is 반갑습니다. So next, in English word, you are welcome. In Hangul pronunciation, chonmaniyo. And goodbye, in Hangul pronunciation, annyeonghae geseyo. So next, long time no see. In Hangul pronunciation, oragamanea. So next one is see you tomorrow. In Hangul pronunciation is nyelbuayo. So thank you for watching everyone and have a good day.